Hi, FlyScapers. This is Anthony, and this is Aquascaping on the Fly. And I'm just doing a really quick shout-out video. I've been traveling a lot lately. Post-holiday travel has not slowed down. It's been just as busy as ever. And I really wanted to put out a really quick video because we actually, while I was traveling, hit 350 subscribers, and I was literally blown away because I just looked down in there when I was looking at my updates, and boom, it hit, and I was so excited. So I wanted to thank you all for that. Those of you who are promoting the channel, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it, and it's given me an opportunity to show a little bit of the humor that you guys know I have. I'm a huge fan of South Park, so we're going to use a South Park succubus clip as the thumbnail for this because it's all about Fiddy. And those of you who are fans of South Park will know what I'm saying, but this is just my way to show my love and appreciation for my group that's out there. I'm so excited that the channel, we still keep growing momentum, and I think it's amazing, and just let's keep rocking this. So you guys have a great day, enjoy the laugh about South Park, and I'll see you guys on the next video update. Have a great day. Bye-bye.